Hey y'all, listen. There's no time like the present. I know there's so many people, okay, looking and trying to figure out how to get their finances together, or how to make some money, or how to get back on top, whatever the case may be. Okay, so I'm gonna give you like 1, 2, 3 tips, okay, that could possibly help. Okay, depends on how you look at the situation, but keep this in mind. Okay, well, I'll say that after this. Okay, so the first thing you might want to do is stop helping people that's not trying to help themselves. Okay, stop giving your money and time to people who's not giving you a return on your investment. Okay, if they're not giving you time or putting money into your pocket or helping you get to the money, then what is the purpose? Okay, so that's number 1. Okay, so number 2 is listen. Okay, find ways to invest your money, meaning like if you, whatever you spend, make it count, make it get a return from it. Okay, find a way to get a return out of it. Say for example, right, cousin want to borrow $20, right? Boom, let cousin know, listen, okay, I'm gonna need them $20 plus an extra 10 or extra 20, whatever. Okay, number 1, you're doing them a favor, and number 2, they're showing you appreciation. They're showing you that they appreciate you by, giving you some interest on your money. Okay, so anytime money leave your pocket or leave your hand, make it count. Okay, and number 3, okay, stop doing what everybody else is doing to make money. Okay, the only way you do what everybody else is doing is if the money is really rolling in. Okay, keep that in mind. Okay, so find niches, like I know some people do ride share. Ride share probably get you, hey, that's, what I mean, that's money in your pocket, what I mean, whatever it takes, stuff like that. Create your own job, create your own, like if you're good at cleaning or something like that, let your friends, family, people in the neighborhood know that, listen, I clean houses on the weekend and stuff like that. You know what I mean? Just whatever it takes, okay? And remember, this is the last thing that I'm going to say, okay? Remember, this next election that's coming up is highly important, okay? Make sure you vote properly, okay? I'm just saying, like, hey. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention this. Another thing is, if you have car payments, right? Use ride share or Uber. Drive Uber, Lyft, Instacart, whatever. All of those things out there. Do those things to make the money to make your car payment. And if you're like employed or you working, that way you don't have to use your paycheck. Okay, so just like they have these programs where people can like where you can rent cars and drive for Lyft. You rent a car through Lyft and you drive certain amount of rides or whatever, and to make the payment, to cover the payment of the rental, right? Use your car and do the same thing and just pay your car payment. I'm just saying.